lot here. Let me show you. We have the grass. We have the fire. And we have the ice. What we got over there? We have fire again and grass again. Oh, and ice. You cannot press any of these buttons. Why not? You don't want to know. Just don't press them. Now let's push these buttons. What? It turned into ice!
I gotta check the mail today. Who's that? Hey, is that Ryder? Hey, Ryder!
Ooh, they'll stay. What's freezing? This ice trick is so cold. I think it's starting to snow. Monster trucks for sale! Monster trucks for sale! Come get your monster trucks! Come here, dude. Come buy a truck.
What? Me?
Yeah, man. Come buy a truck.
Okay. Yeah, I want a monster truck. You got one for sale?
Okay, first we have a fire monster truck. It shoots fire.
Fire. No, thank you. What's this one?
Doesn't work on concrete, but it works on dirt, grass, mud, and rocks. But just stay away from the concrete.
Why? What does it do on the concrete?
Just trust me, dude. No concrete.
This thing doesn't work! Take this back to the monster truck kids.
I don't want this monster truck. It's too cold. Okay, if you're cold, get the fire. It'll make you hot. Yeah, that's good. And just one more thing. Do not press the horn. Why? Trust me, you don't want to know. Okay, you can go 3, 2, 1. He's gonna press the horn. Now to test this horn.
That truck doesn't work.
Me too.
Yeah.
Sorry, sales are final. Gotta go.
Alright, so just this scene, guys, on the editing. Yeah, lock it. Ryder, he took all of our money.
Yeah.
And I don't have anything to show for it.
Yeah.
How about we take his monster trucks? I have an idea, Ryder. Let's get it back. Let's take the monster truck and shoot him with ice and fire. First, we just have to break into his office. Are you ready?
Let's get back. Watch. Oh!
What? Dude, you're really good at karate.
Let's go get the keys. Here you go.
Thanks. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Are you ready, Ryder?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, guys. Last time, Ryder beat me in a race. What? How did he do that? Yay! No! And I'm doing it. This time, we're gonna rematch and see who wins. First challenge, we have to push that box to the fence. Beat that. World's best backwards travel. Hey, bro. Man, watch where I'm going. You're the worst backward driver. I got 31 seconds. Beat that. I got 40 seconds. I win. Yay! You may have beat this round, but I'll beat you on the next round. I'm gonna get another truck. This one's too slow. This is my truck now. Fire defeats ice. Ice defeats fire. This is the trash can push. Whoever pushes the trash can to the gate first wins the round. What? Yay! When I'm chicken dinner, I'm gonna get you on the next one. Okay, to make it even, it's fire versus fire. This race, we're gonna see who can go around the house the fastest. Oh, I just guess I'm gonna win again. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm gonna take a shortcut. I win! Yay! 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 Ew! Ryder's distracted. I'm gonna put flour on my truck. I'm definitely gonna win now. Congratulations. Thank you.